Once the monitoring parameters have been set up, we must return the Hi5 monitor to the measure mode screen. To do this, we can select the measure mode icon, followed by the monitor icon, or the return arrow, which gets us directly back to the measure screen. We are now on the measure screen. We must enable the measurement data current input. We can now observe the Hi5 monitor is in measure mode using monitor program 0 and displays an MFDC current waveform. Please note, this measurement will update every time a new weld is made. Thanks for listening. Contact us today at entroncontrols.com.